Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm filming a clean with me for you guys, and if you've been around for a while, you know I always start off in my bedroom, but I thought I would change it up and start in the kitchen, and I'm gonna say I kind of like it. I kind of like if somebody were to come over, my kitchen and living room area were kind of picked up because you wouldn't go back into my bedroom anyways, but we'll see if that sticks, but I really did like it. So I'm gonna start off by loading the dishwasher and get it started. I'm going to show you real fast what I'm using, and I think I've mentioned this before. It's like orange and I do not like it. I'm going to finish it out just because it's a whole bottle, but I feel like it's like staining the bottom of my dishwasher orange. I just ordered new detergent that I'm picking up today, so I can't wait to use it and see if it gets that out of the bottom or what's going on. And now I'm going to hand wash these plastic cups. They're from like a party or I don't know, maybe New Year's, but Savannah's been drinking water out of them and she feels so proper and grown up. So I just gave those a hand wash, and then I'm going to go ahead and scrub out my sink.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my...
Now I'm going to get my Method all-purpose cleaner just to kind of spray out the sink and make it shiny, and then I'll dry it out with just a normal towel.
Yeah, I'm on my way now.
While I was drying out the sink, I realized that like my soap dish tray was really dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out and dry it out real fast.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Now I'm going to pull out my kitchen e-cloth, and if you guys haven't heard about these, I'll have the link down below in my description box. And all you need to clean is with water, so I went ahead and rinsed it out with water, and then I'm going to wipe down my countertops.
I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way.
I'm still loving this candle that I showed you guys in a few cleaning videos back. It's just from Ross. It's nothing special, but I have burned that like all day long for the last couple weeks, and it's still not gone yet, but I just love the scent. Now I'm still using that same e-cloth rag, and I'm just going to wipe down my kitchen island, and then I'll be vacuuming later on in the video, so I went ahead and put up my bar stools because that area gets crumbs a lot with Savannah eating there. Once I'm finished wiping down my island, I'm going to go ahead and put our drinks away in the refrigerator, so if we want to drink on them later, and then I'm going to use that same rag and wipe down my kitchen table.
Guess I'm lost in the fun park now. Like a merry-go-round, your spiral going down, yeah. I've been racing you all through town. There's no limit till you sleep, never ever time to beat, no. We just fired away without a second to ensure what we signed up for.
Now I'm going to use my Dollar Tree window cleaner and my e-cloth rag to wipe down my back windows. I'd noticed they had gotten really dirty and had fingerprints on them, and then while I was right there, I went ahead and did my back door on the inside and out.
Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. All the once and for all. Boy, you're too late, I'm standing my ground. Finally free and on the rebound. All the once and for all. You've been up underneath my skin. No one's ever gonna win, so we might as well get in now. Still the fights always leave a thrill. I can imagine how I will. You go on, I know the drill now. I've been getting high from this drug for longer than I know.
Once I'm finished cleaning in that area, I'm gonna go ahead and head into my living room, and I'm gonna fold up the blanket and just fluff up the cushions to make sure it's nice and tidy.
What you'll do to me, I know I'm not gonna stay. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. All the ones and for all. All the ones and for all. All the ones and for all.
while I was fluffing up the cushions on my sofa, I noticed that my front windows were just as dirty, so I'm going to use the same window cleaner and the same e-cloth rag to wipe those down.
Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around. Try to get up, you're dragging me down. Better back off, I'll turn it around.
I can always tell when it's time to replace my filters because that will get so dirty. You can tell exactly where I vacuumed and where I haven't. And I do love my Dyson Animal vacuum. It's got all these attachments and my ceilings are pretty high, so I would have to get a ladder to clean that, but I can just put on the tall attachments and suck that right up and then get those filters switched out later.
Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding.
Then I thought, hey, while I have this attachment on it, I might as well go around and do some of my baseboards, especially where I had been vacuuming up on my ceiling, so if any of it fell. But I didn't ever think to use that to clean my baseboards, but I will definitely be using it more often. Okay, now that I have my vents nice and vacuumed and clean, I'm going to pull out my filters, and guys, these are delivered straight to my front door, cheaper than if I were to walk in a store and buy them. FilterJoy is not sponsoring this video, but they have in the past, and I think it's an awesome company with an awesome service because you need filters no matter what. It's something you should be buying for your home, and they always send a little bag of goodies, which is so fun, and Tiger always gets 2 milk bones, which he loves. And then this time for my goodie, they gave me a full-size bottle of lavender hand soap. And who doesn't love Mrs. Meyer's hand soap? It smells amazing, and I just thought that was such a cool gift on top of already getting my filters delivered to me at a better deal. And if you guys will click down below on my link in my description box and click on it for the trial offer of filters, if you sign up for that in the next 10 days, I'm going to have them put that same bottle of lavender hand soap in your order, which is just amazing. So definitely go check out that link down below.
Flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invincible.
Now I'm going to head into my master bedroom, and the only thing I need to do in this room is just make my bed.
Caught the wire, aim for desire, hold your gun, caught the wire. Aim for desire, hold your gun, caught the wire. Aim for desire, hold your gun, caught the wire. Aim for desire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invincible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invincible. Hold your gun, cut the wire. Aim for fun, where the lights are fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invincible.
And now I'm headed to the other side of my house, over into my beauty room, and I'm using a wet e-cloth just to wipe down my vanity because there's always makeup on it. And like I said before, that link is down in my description box, and there's still a coupon code going on, so use Ashley10 for 10% off. And Savannah had left me a surprise. It was a little note that said love you. And then a few days before we filmed this, we had ran to the mall and she picked out these mom and daughter matching necklaces, and I just love them, so I wanted to share it with you.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
I'm using the green rag, and it's wet, the green e-cloth, to wet it down and actually clean the glass part of my desk. And then you'll see me take the blue one, and it's dry, and it just dries it and leaves it streak free.
Since I met you for the first time, you know we should work it out. You know we we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
And now I'm gonna finish this bedroom up by vacuuming the carpets.
I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda
So as soon as I finished this cleaning video, I actually went into this room and rearranged again. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what that looks like. But if you haven't, go over there and follow me. I'll leave my name right here on the screen and you can see how it looks, or you can wait until the next cleaning video.
not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too
Now that I'm finished vacuuming in my beauty room, I'm gonna head on into the hallway and vacuum my living room and kitchen area.
Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la.
I've been getting a lot of questions lately about the Dyson vacuum battery and how long it stays charged. And I think I remember reading it was about 20 minutes on max. And I leave mine on the max setting and I can vacuum my entire house on one charge. Now I know I don't have a 2-story and it's not a huge house, but I wanted you to know I can do all 4 bedrooms, all the hallways, and even my sofa all within that one charge.
Take me for granted. Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Now I'm gonna head into my master bedroom so I can get those carpets vacuumed as well.
Wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
It always feels so good when I go to grab my mop because I know I'm almost done cleaning. And this is my e-cloth for anybody that's new. If you've been around for a while, sorry, you're gonna hear it again. I just get the mop head wet and it's made to clean your floors with just water. And so you'll see me just put my mop on it and then I'll walk it over and I can mop my entire house without re-wetting it. And that gets me all my wood floors and my living room, kitchen, dining room, and my hallways. And they're never streaky, they're always clean, and like the pole itself is so light and it's so easy to maneuver, and that's an e-cloth mop, and so that is down in my description box. Just click on that e-cloth link and it's just like where you can buy the rags.
What I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no,
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. If you did, please hit the like button down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer those for you. And don't forget to click on the filterjoy link if you want to try that free trial out. I'll have that listed below. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.